Welcome to the configurations module. If you are new to the SV classes application, you should aware of some configuration steps. In this section, we will be discussing all the configuration steps one by one in detail. Let's start logging into the application by entering your registered email ID and password. So the first configuration step is changing the default password. For that, click on settings from the left side navigation menu and then select change password tab. Here, you should create a new password because of the security reasons with the default password so that only you can access or log in into the application. So enter the new password details. Let's re-log in with the new password. Second configuration step is adding the academic year. For that, click on settings from the left side navigation menu and then select academic years tab. Here, configure the academic year details. Add the academic year code, academic year start date and academic year end date. Click on submit to save the details. Here, all the data like student, marks or payments related information in the application gets tagged under this particular academic year code when the migration is performed. So the next configuration step is adding the academic classes. For that, click on the academics tab. Here, you should configure all the classes and sections present in your organization. To add a new class, click on the plus icon located to the right side of the organization name and add the class name. To view the list of classes added, click on the drop down arrow located at left side of the organization name and make sure you add at least one section under each class. To add a new class again, click on plus icon and add the new class and add at least one section under LKG also. In the same manner, you can configure remaining classes also. And make sure you add the classes in a sequential order like starting from lower academic class to higher academic class only. So that when migration happens, all the students present in the lower class are migrated to the next higher class. In, in this example, all the students present in nursery gets promoted to the LKG. And if you add the classes in a random order, like adding the LKG first and then adding the nursery second, when migration happens, all the students present in the LKG gets promoted to the nursery. To prevent this class names mismatch, you should add all the classes in a sequential order like starting from the lower academic class to higher academic class only. For example, if your organization has classes up to grade 10, you must add the class names in a sequential order like adding the nursery and then LKG and then UKG and so on up to the grade 10 only. You should not add the class names randomly. So the next configuration step is adding the fee types. Usually, every organization collects different types of fees from the students, like tuition fees, bus fees, books fees, examination fees. But in this section, you should configure all fee types other than the tuition fee only. For example, books fees, uniform fees, examination fees, etc. For that, click on add fee type and add the all the fee types. Click on submit to save the fee types. Make sure you add all the other fee types that are present in your organization. The next configuration step is adding grades. For that, click on marks from the left side navigation menu and then select grades tab. Here, you should configure all the grades and percentages that are followed in your organization's grading system. S- Grades like A plus A, B plus B, and so on. To add a new grade, click on Add New Grade button, then enter the details. Similarly, add the remaining grades also. Make sure you add all the percentage that is including from 0 to 100. While entering the marks for the students subject wise in marks module, these grades are allocated automatically. Let's say, for example, if a student got a marks of 95 out of 100, 95, it means 95 percentages. So for that particular student, grade A plus will be get add allocated because the student got 95 percentage. If another student got 32 marks out of 100, it means 32 percentage. So for that another student, the grade F will be allocated automatically. And I will let you know how these grades are allocated automatically in the marks module. So the next conference step is adding subjects. For that, click on the subjects tab. Here, you should configure all the subjects that you teach to the students in your organization. To add the new subject, click on Add New Subject button and add the subject. In this manner, you should configure all the subjects that you teach to the students in your organization. Make sure you add all the subjects from the all classes, including nursery to grade 10. And these subjects are useful while scheduling the exams. And the next configuration step is adding the fee structure. For that, click on the configurations from the left side navigation menu and then select fee structure. First of all, this section is only for mobile app users. If you are not using mobile app service, you can neglect this configuration step. Usually, organizations allow their students to pay their total tuition fee in multiple installments like term 1 fee, term 2 fee, term 3 fee. In the same manner, we can configure the total tuition fee into multiple terms like term 1, term 2, term 3, allowing the students to pay the total fee in multiple times. To add a new term, click on plus button and enter the following details. I'm giving it as term 1, due date, before which the fee should be paid. Percentage of the fee, I'm giving it as 30%. It means 30% of the fee should be paid before the due date 19/9/2026 under the name term 1. It means suppose if a student who has a tuition fee of 1 lakh rupees, then for him the term 1 fee should be paid before the date 19/9/2026 and the amount should be 30% of the total fee. It means 30,000 from the 1 lakh rupees. The same way, if you are intend to add another terms, you can click plus button, add the another terms also. Here, I am allowing the total fee to be paid in three installments like term 1, term 2, term 3. Let's discuss with an example. If a student's total tuition fee is 1 lakh rupees, then he should pay the total fee in three terms. It means three installments. In first time, he should pay 30% of the to- total fee. It means 30% in 1 lakh rupees is 30,000. It means he should pay 30% of the fee before the due date 19/9/2026. Similarly, you should pay that remaining again 30% of the fee before the date 19/9/2026. Similarly, term 3 also. And make sure the sum of percentage equals to 100. After that, click on save to save the details. You can even edit the details like due dates or percentages by clicking edit button. And this is the fee structure that will be shown on mobile app users of the students. And if you click on this mobile fee notification button, it will pick the most upcoming recent term details and send those details to the mobile app as a notification, reminding their parents the to, to pay the particular fee. Let's say if I am clicking this button today, it means it will pick the most recent upcoming one. Let's say term 1. Now, term 1 details like due date and percentage of the total fee will be sent as a notification to the mobile app so that parents can see the notification and pay that particular percentage of total fee before the due date. So these are the configuration steps we have discussed so far. Thank you.